In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT desktop app. We'll move through the process on a Windows PC using the Microsoft Store, and I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly from start to finish. Begin by going to your Start menu. You can click the Start icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard. This is the quickest way to access all your apps and search tools on Windows. Next, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. If you don't see it pinned, just start typing Microsoft Store right in the Start menu and select the app when it appears. Make sure you're opening the official Microsoft Store app on Windows, as that ensures you download the genuine, trusted version of any software. Inside the store, look for the search bar at the top and type ChatGPT. Press Enter, then choose the listing that clearly identifies the official publisher. Always double-check that you're selecting the real ChatGPT app and not a similarly named third-party tool. Reviewing the publisher name and app details helps you avoid lookalikes. Open the app's page, then click the Get or Install button to begin downloading. If you're asked to sign in with your Microsoft account, follow the on-screen prompts. It's normal for free downloads. Keep the store window open while it completes. You'll see a progress indicator. The button will change to Open when the installation finishes. For the fastest download, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a bit of free disk space available. Once it's installed, launch the app right from the Microsoft Store by clicking Open, or return to your Start menu and search for ChatGPT to open it from there. When the app starts, sign in with your OpenAI account. Use the same account you use on the web so your conversations and settings stay in sync. Always confirm you're on the official OpenAI sign-in pages and never share sensitive information beyond what the app requests for authentication. After you're in, you're ready to use ChatGPT on your desktop. For quicker access next time, right-click the app icon on the taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar, or pin it to start from the Start menu. Updates are handled automatically through the Microsoft Store, so you'll get new features and security fixes without extra steps. If the app doesn't appear in search, try checking again later or ensuring your system is up to date and the store is set to your region. That's it. Simple, secure, and ready to go.